All right, so I came across this article just now this morning, as I went through AI news and what's happening on the latest and greatest stuff, and it talks about OCR. All right, OCR processing. And what DeepSeek fundamentally have done here is it's completely changed the way OCR happens. And it's phenomenal. And I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but I've got one kicker at the end. It's going to be a short video. And the reason I actually wanted to record this and show you this article, and I'm not going to go through it, I'll post the link of this article in the comments for you below. But here's the reality. Quickly, how does OCR work right now? So traditional OCR with LLMs converts text into images, into standard text tokens, or, for example, subword tokens. And this results in very large token counts. All right. Whereas with DeepSeek, what they have done is they have obviously revolutionized this whole thing, and they have converted OCR, they have converted these images into high resolution images that's then processed by vision tokens. So instead of then having textual processing, in the case of traditional OCR, we now have textual processing and visual processing. All right. And that's super exciting because the efficiency is 20 times lesser tokens. And that's what excites me about this article. It's insignificant, really. OCR, it's another thing. It's AI is increasing again and again. But just think about it. We're talking a 95% reduction in tokens and token usage for OCR. That's massive. If OCR is part of your company, we use it. A lot of companies should be using this. If you are busy bringing in all the data you can within your RAG databases or within your databases for AI processing or for analytics, for whatever, then OCR is part of your life, right? And if you build these pipelines, then obviously you know that tokens are very expensive and you want to optimize it. So if OCR is your thing, this is a great article and you can go read through it. And I'm not going to go through the whole article, but let's just quickly run through a few things. Okay, obviously 90%, 96% OCR precision. All right, and what makes this revolutionary? You can read through this. I'm not going to go through this, but just how does it compare currently with standard models out there? All right, so we've got the GOT OCR 2.0, 256 tokens per page. Here we only have 100 vision tokens. All right, minor U2 or minor U 2.0, average about 6,000 tokens per page. We utilize while utilizing fewer than 800 tokens, vision tokens for the same page. All right. Technical architecture behind it, you can go and you can read through that if that's your thing. And then practical implications. I mean, think about this. Historical document compression. We have historical documents, thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of pages that we require OCR for, so that we can bring it within the world of AI for us to process and to do that. So you can look at that memory mechanics and LLMs and so forth. But here's the big thing. It's fundamentally a paradigm shift when it comes to OCR. All right. This paradigm shift re-examines vision VLMs from an LLM-centric perspective, focusing on how vision encoders can enhance LLM efficiency and processing textual information rather than solely focusing on visual question answering tasks. All right, but why do I record this? I mean, why do I even, and here's the thing, I mean, it's open source. These things are free. It's totally free, which is just unbelievable. That just blows my mind. I'll also just drop in the comments, I'll drop the link to the repo, the GitHub repo for you if you want to go test it out or go check it out. But let me end by this. As LLMs continue to grow in size and capability, innovations like DeepSeek-OCR will be crucial for making these powerful models more accessible, efficient, and practical for real-world applications. And this is why I like this article, and this is why I thought, let me just do this little video and I get your attention to this article. Is the future of AI may very well depend on such creative approaches to the fundamental challenges of context management and computational efficiency. Listen, we are not talking about a little increase in a technology area. We're talking about a 95% improvement in token usage. That's massive. That is not a jump from last year to this year. We're talking, this is happening right now. Now, for all of us that's at the front of AI, trying to be daily, trying to see what's the latest things happening within this hugely exponential world we're living in, these things excite me. All right. And it's again, just putting attention to the world is moving so fast. And as executives, we better try and stay ahead of this movement. Anyway, if you like this, if this is your thing and you like this article, cool. I appreciate that. And hopefully I'll see you on a next one.